Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best dent removal kit you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best dent removal kit in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is HiYi 10 pieces dent repair toolkits. HiYi has the advantages of simple operation. Repair the dent for you directly. Environmental protection it, and it does not damage the original paint. It is suitable for the dent of all kinds of flat metal, such as the surface of automobile metal plate and the washing machine's metal plate. Only a few tools are included in this collection. You'll receive an aluminum head hammer tool compatible with 9 tips. Those tips are also included, so you have plenty of choices when repairing your dent. Overall, this is a great option for people looking for quick repairs. The simplicity might backfire, however. This kit doesn't have the extensive collection others do, so it might not be able to tackle your specific job. Aluminum is a durable but flexible option, perfect for the head of the hammer. It is designed with a palm head, so your paint job is totally safe. This kit is ideal for irregular dents and comes in handy when you have something small to pop out, even if it's on the license plate. The heads include pointed options, rounded options, and flat options. It weighs in at 7 ounces, making it super portable and easy to store in your car. Our second best dent removal kit is Mainlord Auto Body Dent Repair Tool. This highly versatile collection will pop out problem areas without scratching your paint job. It includes 5 yellow glue sticks, 5 black glue sticks, a 20-watt glue gun, and a black cleaning cloth, so you have everything you need. With professional design using the principle of leverage to design, the dent puller is ergonomic. The dent bridge puller with a unique arched bridge can adjust the spacing and rotate the button to better fit the dents, the efficient and labor. The T-bar dent puller is made of tempered high-carbon stainless steel and standard stainless steel. In the parts of the body, contact with high-quality rubber precision package can avoid damage to the original paint. Even the rubber hammer suitable for uneven dents has a good rubber package. Suitable for any auto dents, repair door dings and hail damage and other dents. Efficient action on automobile, refrigerator, washing machine and other metal surface dents. Tools coming with detailed repair steps. Introduction for operate. It makes the dent removal process so easy. Instead of spending hundreds of money in forced shops, our dent puller toolkit can help you repair your cars by yourself for many times, so it can save a lot of money and time for you. Third pick in our list is Fly 5D 53 pieces dent repair removal toolkit. This repair kit holds everything you need for a quick, professional repair. The included 100-watt hot glue gun heats up the glue within 2 to 3 minutes to around 365 degrees for a minimal wait time that will speed up the dent repair process. Unfortunately, there is an extra step added to their operation. You will need to heat up water to ensure that your car's body reaches at least 70 degrees. Professional paintless dent removal tools for auto dent and hail damage. The golden dent lifter with a unique can adjust width and height. You can adjust the fixed position and distance for your different size dents, efficiently and labor saving. Unique arched bridge design eliminates the chance for additional damage. Yellow glue sticks is ultra strong in sickness, which can repair the dents and the relatively harder parts on cars. The paintless dent repair kit including 10 pieces of glue sticks. In general, after fixing the dent, use alcohol to clean the extra glue on the car and the puller sets. Well done! In the winter, heat up the glue of the car for 30 seconds with hot water to make sure it has reached melting point temperature of 70 degrees. Then spray some alcohol and remove the glue completely. Come with 44 pieces different sizes puller tabs suitable for different size dents. Perfect for door dings and hail damage. Whether you decide you want to tackle a full dent repair project, or just want to save money by doing minor repairs yourself, Fly 5D is the best choice for you. Number 4 in our side is GLISTON 35 pieces dent remover tool. With 35 different pieces, this is a complete collection to fix up problem areas quickly. There are 5 blue glue tabs and 16 black pull tabs, so you can use this product as many times as necessary. Paintless dent puller kit can be used for the car dent and any other metal surface like refrigerator, washing machine, etc. The golden dent lifter specifically designed can adjust more 1 cm height and more 3.8 cm width both for small dent and big dent, 21 pieces different shape and size pulling tabs which are made by PA materials supplied for fixing various shapes of dents. Dent removal kit lets you repair the dents anywhere anytime by yourself, since the accessories of paintless dent repair are not complicated at all. Only 3 steps then you can repair a dent. Step 1 is place the tab which full with glue in the dent. Step 2 is use the dent lifter to pull the dent out. Step 3 is remove glue by alcohol and plastic shovel. Support one-handed operation, suitable for repairing small dents. Last in our best dent removal kit list is ANION Dent Repair Kit. This collection comes with a convenient storage container so you can securely put all 54 pieces away when you're done. It also includes a handy hot glue gun, so you don't have to purchase one separately. The highly durable tools included will last through many repairs. For the tools you don't use, a 13.8 by 6.7 by 7.0 inch carrying box is included for storage. This easily fits into your trunk for dent repairs wherever you go. The instructional manual has every step laid out clearly. This kit works wonders for more minor dents, but larger areas still need a professional touch. Multiple different tools are included to make the process as easy as possible. You'll receive 10 glue sticks that will carry you through various repairs. There are also 5 black pens, a cleaning cloth, and 5 clip removal tools. A couple of mini bags are put in so you can keep the smaller parts separate from each other and neatly tucked away. The entire system weighs 5.78 pounds, so it's easy for almost anybody to carry.